Okay students, now we just change the rule of the game. So in the previous side we require all three sides, measure of all the three sides. Okay, now we see side angle side. So what the Appu did? Let me now change the rules of the triangle copying game. Right, go ahead. You have already found that giving the length of only one side is useless. Of course, yes. In that case, let me tell that in triangle ABC, one side is 5.5 centimeter and one angle is 65 degree. This again is not sufficient for the job. I can find many triangles satisfying your information but are not copying of triangle ABC. Okay, if you know the length of one triangle and the corresponding angles, you can make so many triangles with this informations. Let's see. You can make right angle triangle. The information is what? 5.5 centimeter is given and 65 degree is given. But what about this two triangle? Out of these two, one should be known. Then only you can make a copy. Otherwise, you are getting right angle triangle like this. You are getting the scalene triangle like this. Sorry, isosceles triangle like this, in which two angles are same. And third like this. This can be anything 20 degree, 65 degree, 95 degree. So, with the help of two known information, that is one measure of side and one measure of angle, it is not possible to make a copy of this triangle. Then what is required? Let's see. So what shall we do? More information is needed. So then let me modify my earlier statement. In triangle ABC, the length of two sides 5.5 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter is given and the angle between these two sides is 65 degree. Now you have two sides and one angle. Then let's see. 5.5 centimeter. This is your 5.5 centimeter. Then we have to draw the angle 65 degree and the measure of this side is 3.4 centimeter. Now you are able to find the angles exactly the copy of the previous angle which you want. So what we can say? I got it must be 3.4 centimeter away from C along with this angular line through C. So I draw an arc. Then you just draw this arc of measure of 3.4 centimeters. You are getting one more point over here. And just join this B to A line. So this is your exactly what triangle you require. So what we can say? You have used side angle side where the angle is included between the sides. So which criteria it is? Side angle side. You should remember that angle is in between the given two sides. So this criteria is known as side angle side. Let's see some examples for this. Given below are measurements of some parts of two triangles. Examine whether the two triangles are congruent or not by using side angle side criterion. If the triangles are congruent, write them in symbols form. So what is given first? Triangle ABC. AB is 7, BC is 5, angle B is 50 degree. And D is 5 centimeter, EF is 7 centimeter and angle A is 50 degree. So first of all you have to draw the triangle, and if you want you can superimpose them, or directly also you can say AB corresponds to EF, BC corresponds to DE as the measures are same, and angle B is equal to 50 degree, angle E is equal to 50 degree. So what we can say? It will be always helpful to draw a rough figure. So let's draw the figure. This is your first figure of that is 5 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, AB 7 centimeter, 50 degree is the angle. Same diagram. Here what is given? Second diagram. This is 60 degree, 4.5 centimeter is known, this 5 centimeter is known. But the angle is different over here, though all the three sides are shown. So for this two triangles, triangle ABC corresponds to triangle FED by SAS congruence rule. This is not corresponding because angles are different. It is 60 degree, it is 55 degree. Third diagram, 35 degree, 35 degree, one is 6 centimeter, other is 4 centimeter. But this angle 35 degree, it is not included angle. See, sorry, this angle should be over here, this angle should be over here, then only these two triangles whatever made after drawing, they are corresponding to each other, they make the correspondence and they make the congruence. But the criteria for SAS is what? Whatever two known sides are there, the angle should be in between of these two known sides, then only this criteria can be possible, otherwise it is wrong. So only for the first diagram, correspondence or congruence rule are fulfilled. For these two information, the correspondence rules, congruence rule does not fulfill. So this is all about your side angle side criteria.